He's right there, so that bird's, it's bound to be right in here somewhere.
Well, Logan, you stay there with Ray. I'm gonna go around this side.
Keep your eyes up in the trees here too. It may be off the ground. I don't know. I don't see it.
Huh?
Just be ready, because I don't see it yet.
I'm going around there with Ray, bud.
It could come out anywhere.
I still don't see the dot hole. I see that now.
Just stay right there, Logan. Be ready, Scotty. I still don't see this bird.
Did we wing this one?
I don't know. I do not know. I didn't see this bird. I was looking at the one that went the other direction.
Oh, that's right.
Okay. Well, let me turn him loose here, see if he can get a little better fix on it. Or it'll come out from under my feet here somewhere. Good boy. Where's it at? Go. Go. He says it's right here between us somewhere, Scotty. Go. There it is. That bird moved out on him, didn't it?
Sure did.
Easy cutter. There it is, sitting right in front of you. About 20 feet, little male quail. See it?
Okay, Logan, if it comes to the field, get ready. Ray, get ready to shoot. I still don't see it.
It's straight out in front of you. See it moving?
Oh, I do now.
Easy cutter. Let me try to push it out.
As soon as he gets up, Logan, if you give it to him.
When he squats, you'll know he's coming up.
See the bird, Logan?
Dead cutter here. Dead bird. Here, dead. Easy, dead. Easy. Attaboy, come on. Good boy. Attaboy. Yeah. Good boy. Watch your fence.
He's done all right for your first time.
Oh, yeah.
What, You outshot a couple of guys that already today. Me and Ray, the first time I come up here, I think me and him both missed the first 3 or 4 birds.
I couldn't. Old Jeffy was missing everything the other day. He was cussing mad.
Cussing mad, huh?
He was, yeah. He was cussing mad.
Okay, so that's 10. We got 2 more.
We got one on this fence over here and one in the field. What time is it, Scotty?
We probably need to step to be fairly quick, I would say, right? 10:04. Oh.
10:04? We got an hour.
Awesome. Did you get a shoot? Have you squeezed the trigger on that yet? Yeah, I just got one. Yeah, you can tell by the way he's picking his feet up. His feet's sore.
Yeah. Just the way he's moving, I mean, you can tell he's sore.
Well, he's hunting good, but he ain't hunting like he did the other day when me and you was up here, man. He was burning that field down.
That dog will keep a steady 20 mile an hour all the time if he's feeling good. He's trying to work something out there, it looked like.
Acting like it ain't.
Is this thing still recording? Did I turn it off? I forget.
No, it's still recording.